So this is the first male lion of the safari, Olopolus. Am I right, Benson?
Yeah.
Is it Olopolus?
Yeah, that's Olopolus.
Can you tell something about this?
Yeah, this is Olopolus from Topi pride.
Okay.
Actually, they have only three names. They have Olopolus and Orchito and Olesiado.
Olopolus,
And Orchito,
Orchito,
Olesiado.
Olesiado. So these are three male
There are three males
of a
and
Topi pride. Orchitico means a big one. Olopolus means the middle one. And Olesiado is the last one. This ranking is according to their strength and position in the pride. In total, there are 25 lions,
25 lions.
including these three male.
Yeah, including these three males.
And the long neck is the dominant female of this pride. We are in front of this pride known as Topi pride. They are scattered here and there. Just wait. Huh. You can see small baby. Okay, so we saw some small baby and Benson is positioning the vehicle. So let's hope. Topi has a small baby, right? Yes. I think so. So Benson is positioning ourselves and we are moving. So let's hope that we get some good shots. Oh yes, dear, yes. Small baby. Benson, what could be the age of this baby?
About
1 month and 2 weeks. So 6 weeks. Wow. It is so beautiful and so wonderful to see these babies. I think we will spend time with this pride, maybe the whole evening. And we'll make most out of that. Oh, what a yawn. Yawning is contagious. It was apparent that the pride was hungry and waiting for the opportunity to hunt. It was raining and they made a futile attempt that evening to hunt a warthog. Next day morning again, they were in action. But unfortunately for them, they did not succeed.
We are waiting the wildebeest and zebras trying to cross to Intiakitiak River, and we are just waiting Topi Pride because it's very close and they're very angry. They have like 2 days, we never eat anything because in the morning they tried to chase some buffaloes, but now we are just waiting zebras and wildebeest to cross the river so they can kill them.
We waited for almost the whole day. Good morning. This is our fourth full day safari in Maasai Mara. We started at 5:20 in the morning from our camp located in the Kobosho area of Maasai Mara National Reserve. And now we are going towards the Topi plain, and let's see whether they have hunted in the night or they will do some activity in the morning, because since last 3 days we are following them and they were unable to hunt despite the fact that they made heroic attempts to kill buffalo. They almost caught it, but they were not successful. Yesterday night also they chased warthog, but I don't think they were successful. So let's see today what happens. So we spent some time with the Topi lions. There were some hartebeests and some other antelopes. But the mother lion, the main lead lion of Topi Pride, that is long neck lion, is not seen around. So our guide says, and his experience tells him that when the mother is not around, there are less chances for these sub-adults or the other members of that pride to make a kill. So now we are moving towards another area known as Rongoy area, and we are trying to locate some other pride. So let's see. On the way, we got the information that pride has made a kill. We returned that evening only to see the pride feasting on the buffalo. Wildlife photography is all about frustration, missed chances, lost opportunities, and bad luck.